World's burning, just come home, just come home. And I can feel my body turn, can feel my body turn. Come home, come home. Even though the world is burning, though the world is burning, just come home, just come home. I can feel my body turn, I can feel my body. You are my love. You are my love.
Okay, so this one is like the messier one where I just pull kind of like a lot of hair out. And this is what I usually will do for like mirror selfies, or I love this hairstyle for like when we travel and it's like super windy or super cold. I don't know, when it's windy and cold, my hair gets so flat and stringy. When I went to Seattle, Chicago, Park City, this was a really useful hairstyle. So you'll notice, like, I think in like every photo almost when I would go to those places, this was my hairstyle, because I like, you know, I'm all wrapped up, I have a scarf and everything, so I don't want like staticky hair everywhere. So just this much hair out is like perfect. Tip: if you mess up and it's not looking the way you want, take it completely down, brush your hair out all the way through and start over. I promise you it will just end up looking so much better than continuing to try and fix it and continuing to pull and like pull hair out and all that stuff. Just start over and brush your hair. Brushing your hair is like one of the main things that gets it to look the way it does, so that when it is up here, it looks really full, not like stringy pieces kind of with like inserts in between or something.
Feels right. We're talking in circles all night. Now can we see the light if we're both blinded? You are